Montgomery County, Maryland Green Business Certification Program is designed to recognize businesses and other entities that have taken voluntary steps to protect, preserve, and improve the environment. Earning a Green Business Certification indicates that the business is part of an innovative leadership movement to green business operations and help transition to a sustainable future.
The program currently is focused on office-based businesses, and it's about day-to-day operations. So in a sense, it's a complement to LEED certification. LEED, of course, focuses on buildings and major systems. Ours is really about cultural change and day-to-day operations and policies. And it's divided into 7 sections. It's an application with 260 actions, ranging from organizational commitment, stormwater management, energy conservation, environmentally responsible procurement, et cetera, et cetera. And based on your size, if you're small and you lease space versus whether you're large and own and occupy your space, so you have more latitude to make the changes, it's anywhere from about 60 actions to 120 actions. Those could be little actions or very significant actions. Most of them are cost neutral, or will actually save you money. I mean, sure, there are things on the application like, install a green roof, which definitely has significant capital costs. But those are optional. None of and then we have a few required actions, but none of those required actions are really going to cost you a significant amount.
The application process to become a green certified business is designed to provide each business with the flexibility to pursue a wide variety of measures.
Yeah, I think certainly familiarize yourself with the website. There's a lot of interesting reading. There's a resource guide, which is really useful. And actually, it's embedded within the application. So if you pull up the application, you'll see that certain actions are highlighted in green. If you click on those, it'll take you immediately to a resource guide that'll explain, why is this action important and how do I go about implementing this action? So start there. Don't be overwhelmed. It's a lengthy application, but I think as you get into it and get some support through a green team and create a survey so that you're getting some bright, fresh ideas from your employees and you're also getting buy-in, you'll see that it's a very uplifting process.
Many local companies have seen the value of participating in green practices and have taken advantage of the Green Business Certification.
We didn't go into it looking for a cost benefit, but what we've seen on the back end is that there is a cost benefit. One of the biggest money-saving ideas that we've had was to switch everything over to printing double-sided automatically. And I think a lot of people just started thinking more about printing in cutback altogether. So we went from, a couple of boxes of paper every week to, a couple of reams. So we've really cut back on the paper usage, which has resulted in cost savings. And we weren't looking for that to happen. So it was an unexpected benefit.
As far as future initiatives, we would love to continue to do anything that we can to help the environment. And the other nice thing about going green is we've met and had the opportunity of meeting so many other businesses that are green, and so it allows us to learn a lot more about what we can continue to do. We've had some functions at our branches where we've invited all of the companies and clients that we've met that also have that same goal. That's been great.
If you're interested in the Green Business Certification Program and would like more information, go to mcgreenbiz.org. Well, that's our show. I'd like to thank you for tuning in. If you'd like information about any of our topics on today's show or to find more green projects, go to mygreenmontgomery.org, your guide to living a green life in Montgomery County.